Hi there, students. To embroil. This means it's a verb. This means to draw somebody into a situation, to cause them to become involved. If you see a couple that are fighting, maybe you ought to just let them sort it out, because otherwise it's very easy for them to embroil you in their fight, for you to become embroiled in their argument. Okay, so to embroil, to draw somebody into an argument or a difficult situation, particularly problems. So the Star sued the newspaper and became embroiled in a lengthy lawsuit, every stage of which was published by the newspaper. The peacekeepers entered the country and then became embroiled in the Civil War. They got caught up in it, yeah? And this is the idea of to embroil. To cause somebody to become involved in an argument, in a problem. So the United Nations seems to get embroiled in various different problematical wars. He became embroiled in the controversy. They embroiled him in the controversy. Notice this verb is normally either passive or with to become embroiled, to get embroiled, because normally it's the person who gets mixed up in the problem is the most interesting thing. You can also use embroil to mean to throw into confusion. The American High Court has become embroiled in the Texas abortion controversy. COVID vaccines have become embroiled in arguments about whether they are good or bad. His stand on this issue got him embroiled in this problem. To get bogged down in something, to get tangled up in it, to get drawn into it. Please don't embroil me in your arguments. So to involve in an argument, in a contention, in a hostile action. So yes, maybe a war starts between two countries, and then the neighbouring countries become embroiled in it. Let's see. I think Ireland has become embroiled in the Brexit controversy and this question of a border. So to entangle, to involve in an argument or a problem. Any hostilities could embroil the UN troops in the fighting. So to embroil somebody in something, to get embroiled in something, or to embroil somebody with a problem. Look, I don't want to take sides. I don't want to become embroiled in your family problems and your family disputes. Okay, so to embroil, to avoid him like the plague, because he'll embroil you in his fights and disagreements. Okay, so to embroil, a regular verb. He embroiled me in the problem. He has become he has become embroiled, that's definitely a past participle, in the controversy. The Prime Minister was trying desperately not to become embroiled in the scandal. Now, next question, formality. Yeah, this is a fairly formal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, a 7 in formality. Could you use it in an informal conversation? I guess you could just about, but this word's much, much, much better for one of your semi-formal or formal writings. I think this is a great word to use in your writings. To embroil somebody in something, to become embroiled in something, yeah, to get drawn into it, yeah, to become implicated, or to become drawn into complications. Then, as to origin, well, this word embroil has been borrowed from French, embrouiller, okay, in, and then we've got this word brouiller, which that itself comes from meaning to mix up, to scramble, to confuse. But that itself comes from Latin, brodium, a broth or a stew. And notice as well this word to broil. The Americans use this word to broil, meaning to put under the grill, to cook something with direct heat, either above or below. Yeah, in British I would say to grill something. I wouldn't use the word to broil, but the Americans use this word to broil quite a lot. So to embroil, to put it in the oven and make it problematic. Okay, so look, I don't want you to get embroiled in my problems, okay, to get mixed up in. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Embroil.